Well, here we are, the moment of truth. Can you believe it? You know, I wasn't sure how you do, but gotta say, you crushed it. Well, we crushed it. We make an amazing team.
Nearly brings us to tears.
We should do this more often. We thought it'd be better for the game if we did it this way. You know, giving you the glory after we did all the work.
Just push your button to execute our super awesome amazing plan.
Sinister is standing right on the— Shut up, stupid! Don't spoil it. Go ahead, player. Whenever you're ready. Just push the button. Oh, did you want to go make a sandwich while the master villain stands behind me ready to strike? Oh, I'll go right ahead. We'll wait. I know it can be hard to execute a long string of button presses like this one, but you can do it. We believe in you. Still here, FYI. Come on, player, come on! We've climbed the mountaintop together. Don't give up now! This totally reminds me of that one time with those other dudes when we totally did that one thing and everyone busted up laughing because what's-his-name fell over into that other guy, and we were all like, push the damn button!
Hands on the controller, shaking fingers poised over the button. Each tip glistening with sweat and quivering in anticipation of the moment in which you
push the button! Wait, that was the real Sinister, right? Seriously, roll credits. We're done here. Woo!